Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome back. Today, we're taking a delectable detour to the heart of French pastry as we explore a beloved delight, chocolatine. But we're not just diving into the world of this buttery, chocolate-filled pastry. We've also got some intriguing, lesser-known facts about chocolatine that will satisfy your curiosity as much as your taste buds. What is a chocolatine? Let's start with the basics. A chocolatine is a classic French pastry that hails from the southwestern regions of France. It's made with layers of flaky, buttery pastry dough that encase a generous core of rich chocolate. The result? A heavenly marriage of crispy, golden layers and indulgent chocolatey goodness. The name game. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the name. Depending on where you are in France, this pastry goes by different. The historical roots. To understand the chocolatine, we must delve into history. This pastry has been enchanting taste buds since the 19th century, with origins deeply rooted in French baking traditions. Its layers of flaky pastry dough were inspired by the techniques brought to France by Austrian and Hungarian bakers. It's a testament to the fusion of culinary influences over the centuries. The chocolate debate. Here's a fascinating tidbit: not all chocolatines are created equal when it comes to chocolate. While dark chocolate is the traditional filling, some modern variations feature milk chocolate, hazelnut praline, or even white chocolate. This diversity in chocolate choices adds a delightful twist to this classic pastry. Chocolatine versus croissant. Many mistakenly equate chocolatines with croissants. While they share a similar flaky pastry exterior, the key difference lies in the shape. Chocolatines are typically rectangular, while croissants are crescent-shaped. It's a subtle but significant distinction that sets these two pastries apart. The art of baking. The art of making chocolatines is a labor of love. It involves precise folding and chilling of the dough to create those delicate, crispy layers. The baking process requires just the right temperature and timing to achieve that perfect golden hue. It's a craft that demands patience and skill. Chocolatine's cultural significance. Chocolatines aren't just pastries. They hold cultural significance in France. Enjoying a warm chocolatine with a cup of coffee is a cherished ritual for many French people. It's a moment of indulgence and relaxation, often enjoyed during breakfast or as a midday treat at a cozy café. The role of butter. Butter plays a starring role in the creation of chocolatines. The layers of flaky pastry are achieved by folding butter into the dough repeatedly. This technique, known as laminating, results in the pastry's signature crispiness and rich flavor. It's a testament to the importance of quality butter in French baking. Chocolatines beyond France. While chocolatines are undeniably French, their appeal has spread far and wide. In other countries, you can find similar pastries with various names and local twists. For instance, in Switzerland, they are known as Nusstorte, and in Belgium, they go by Couc au chocolat. Sweet memories. Chocolatines often evoke sweet childhood memories for many. The aroma of freshly baked chocolatines wafting through the kitchen can transport people back to simpler times when they enjoyed this pastry with loved ones. It's a nostalgic treat that carries cherished moments. The chocolatine in pop culture. Chocolatines have also made appearances in pop culture, especially in French cinema. They often symbolize comfort, temptation, and the simple joys of life. From charming scenes in romantic films to cozy moments in family dramas, the chocolatine has left its mark on the silver screen. The perfect pairings. Pairing chocolatines with beverages is an art. In France, it's common to enjoy them with café au lait in the morning or a glass of red wine in the evening. The combination of the pastry's buttery richness with the flavors of these drinks creates a delightful harmony for the senses. The influence of French bakeries. French bakeries, known as boulangeries, are at the heart of chocolatine culture. These charming establishments take pride in crafting the finest chocolatines, with master bakers meticulously preparing the dough, chocolate, and the final product. It's not just a pastry, it's a symbol of the dedication and artistry found in French bakeries. Chocolatine variations. Chocolatines aren't limited to a single variety. While the classic chocolatine features dark chocolate, there are delightful variations to explore. Some bakers add nuts for extra crunch, while others incorporate flavored creams or seasonal fruits for a unique twist. The possibilities are endless. The morning ritual. For many, starting the day with a chocolatine is a cherished morning ritual. It's not just a pastry but a moment of tranquility before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. Pairing it with a newspaper or a good book is the epitome of a slow and delicious morning. Chocolatine artistry. Some bakers take chocolatine artistry to the next level. They create intricate designs on the pastry surface, turning it into a canvas for edible art. From swirls to geometric patterns, these visually stunning chocolatines are almost too beautiful to eat. And there you have it, my fellow pastry aficionados, an even more immersive journey into the captivating world of chocolatine. It's more than a treat. It's a cultural treasure, a symbol of artistry, and a cherished part of daily life in France. The next time you relish this buttery delight, remember the traditions, the artistry, and the joy it brings to those who savor it. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more irresistible adventures. À la vôtre.